Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing Musikfest today, seeing some awesome music with some really special guests. I'm super pumped about this, guys. The girls are playing in the arts and crafts section, right, Penny? Like, don't bother me, don't bother. What you got going on, Penny?
Remember what it's called?
I'm making a sun.
A sun?
Ooh.
Awesome. What you got there, Penny?
A flower.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I call it the shiny sunflower.
The shiny sunflower. What do you think, Alejandro? She does a pretty nice flower, huh?
Yeah, you did a good job, Penny, huh?
Of course, when you do this, you sometimes forget your pack. It is what it is. Got your PlayStation booth right over here. That's pretty cool. So there we've got no small dads going on right there.
Say hi, Penny.
Hi.
I've got Needy here.
We have fun today.
I will.
Ever since a couple seconds ago, I have always wanted to be a daily vlogger. But alas, I do not own a skateboard, and so it will never be. My dream is dashed, and I'm powerless to do anything about it. This daily dose of anti-motivation has been brought to you by Needy. If you find yourself going around the YouTubes and getting too motivated by all of these people telling you everything that you can do and be, come check me out. I can help you restore balance to the force.
And you know the best part is, I do have a skateboard in my trunk that he hasn't even seen yet. A butterfly or a moth or something.
That was really cool.
Just landed on my camera thing. See? You just never know what's gonna happen. Unfortunately, you can't see it.
You can see it in my vlog.
Yeah, there you go. Watch Alejandro's vlog if you want to see this ratty ass moth that just landed on my camera.
Oh no, it's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly, you think?
He looks super.
He's got a messed up wing too. Look at the poor guy.
I think caterpillar a little bit.
Maybe. Maybe. I am absolutely having a blast hanging out with Alejandro Perez, his daughter Penny, and Needs More Subs and his daughter. It has been an unbelievable day. I gotta be honest with you, there's just nothing like watching kids play. It definitely reminds me a lot of what YouTube allows me to do, which is be a big kid and act silly and stupid and goofy and fun. And I think that's the thing that I love most about this platform. You guys really want to see me having a good time, having fun, doing fun things, doing interesting things. And guess what? That's all I want to do. It's a perfect marriage. What an absolutely amazing day with Needs More Subs and Alejandro Perez. I'm taking a walk with the lovely and beautiful Monaco, my amazing sandwich assistant. And do me a big favor and check in the description for the links to Needs More Subs and Alejandro Perez. And go check out their channel. Give them the opportunity to earn your views. They make great stuff, guys. You won't be disappointed. Also, if you did not see my live broadcast this morning, they were both on the best hour of my day. There was some funny shenanigans that happened and you probably don't want to miss it. So go ahead and click this link up here and it will take you to check out that video. And I would really love it if you would go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I'll see you in an hour for the live show.